Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 43rd question of the number theory chapter. So question says, if 5 men can build 100 km of road in 10 days, then 8 men will take how many days to build 80 km of road? So this is a unitary method question of what we have learned in the chapter. We can directly actually apply and find the answer. So the question is saying that 5 men can build 100 km of road in 10 days. So in 10 days 100 km road is built by 5 men. Then 8 men will take how many days to build how much? 80 km road in how many days? Let that be x days. So we have to find x. So x will be then equal to, if days we have to find, the given days we will start with, it is 10. So it is 10 multiplied by, now if you look at kilometers, if I am building less kilometer, because in 10 days over here in the first case you are building 100 km, in this case you are building 80 km. So if less kilometer is being built, then less number of days should be required. Okay, so if less number of days is required, that means I will multiply this by 80 by 100. Okay, not 100 by 80 as the fraction, because 100 by 80 will increase this fraction. Okay, more than 1. So if it is less number of days it is required, then I will multiply it by a fraction which is less than 1. Okay, and finally if over here there are 5 men and 8 men, if more men work, then less days are required. Okay, so over here if you look at it, 80 km were built, so less kilometer were built, so less days were required. But over here more men are working, so less days should be required still, because men has been increased. So if less days are required, I will also multiply this by 5 by 8, because that is a fraction which is less than 1. So directly solve this and get the answer. So over here it will be 8 1 side, 8 10 80. Okay, this 10 into 10 will be 100. So this goes away 100. So I am left with x equal to 5. Okay, so 5 days is the answer. How many men will take how many days? 5 days. So 5 is the answer here. Alright, that's how you solve this question.